Hey guys, Abbott back from ConcertTech. It's been a while, I know, every time I say it, but you know what? I'm gonna do a quick video because I have always been using the Google Homes. I've done many unboxings. I'll tag them in the top right hand corner, but I have done many unboxings on Google products. Today, I wanted to try unboxing an Amazon product. So let's get right into it. So here's the box. From the front it says Echo Dot. I got the white version. Has a couple things, what you can say to it, add Alexa into any room. Here's all the applications it supports: so Amazon Music, Spotify, TuneIn, Air Canada, CBC, and Hue lighting. I have a Hue lighting bulb, the Philips Hue, and I mean we could try it out. Here's a bunch of other warnings in that, just on the back, barcodes and all that. So lift it up and get right into it. So unlike a Google product where normally it's the instructions on top and then you hold out a little tray and there's the actual part at the bottom, this is completely opposite. So we have the Amazon Alexa right here. I didn't actually get in the white version like I thought it did. So this is kind of like a burgundy, kind of reddish kind of color. It's actually kind of cool. Got the 4 buttons up top. We'll explain this later. We also have the manual. So manual, got different languages, all that. We'll be reading that because I don't know how to set up an Echo. Warning of safety, don't need that. More warning of safety. And then down here is a very badly packed power brick. So unlike a Google device, and you thought the Google devices ones were big, these are even huge. Unlike the Google Minis, it does not use a micro B. It uses a Bell connector, just like the Nest Homes. It delivers 15 watts, nothing more than that, which means that this could be a very good, I don't know if it's good, but very power-hungry speaker. I believe the Google Homes only take about 10 to 5 watts. I can double check that, but if these draw 15 watts, that means these are pretty powerful. So let's put this to the side, and actually there's nothing else in the box. That's an empty box. Okay. I'm gonna mute her just so I can say this. And because I've been using Google, I may say okay Alexa. I'm sorry. You just need to say Alexa. I may say okay Alexa. I'm sorry. Alexa, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling lit up for the holidays, even brighter than a house in a competitive Christmas decoration war with the neighbors.
Or Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you call a pig that does karate? Pork chop.
See guys? Alexa works well. Stop. I should mute it before I say Alexa. Yeah, so there's the 4 microphones up top, as you can see, so spatial awareness. I don't know how many on Google Home, because of course it's got the cloth knitting on top. It's got, I need to figure out what this button does. Let's place it down. Stop. Okay, so instead of saying Alexa, you can just hit this button, and it does what, and then it'll wake up, and then you can say whatever you want to it. Let's listen to some music. So yeah, I mean, I couldn't cast music to it. That's because my phone was just not happy with it, but it sounds very good. So I would like to say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe down here and watch our latest video. I believe it would have been the Apple event part 2. And if you're watching Apple event part 2 for the first time, watch Apple event part 1 because that makes sense. So thank you for checking it out, and goodbye.